A powerful 8.6 magnitude earthquake has just struck off the east coast of Russia. Tremors were felt as far as Japan and parts of Alaska. A tsunami warning has been issued for nearby coastal areas. Authorities are urging people to move to higher ground immediately. This quake hit deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, triggering fears of large waves. Evacuations are already underway in several regions. Rescue teams are on high alert. No major casualties have been confirmed yet, but damage assessments are still ongoing. Stay safe, stay informed. For the latest updates on this developing story, like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more breaking news.